Look at those deer, James. Do you see them? Look. Do you see them?
Deer.
Hi, deers.
They're eating grass.
Yeah, they are. They're just sitting there having a good old time.
They look awfully bony, I think.
Yeah.
I think the deer look bony.
They're probably growing their fur coat for the winter.
Wouldn't that make them look
Thicker ones.
poofy?
Well, they lose it all in the spring, I think, and then they start regrowing it around now, I think. Hold on.
Is that fun? Wee! Yahoo!
Hold on tight.
Wee!
Hold on tight.
Wee! I think this is his first time on a big kid swing, huh?
Ellie's going this high. You make me freak out.
I'm not trying to.
This is even lower than what you were doing.
I know.
Hold on tight.
Wee!
Hold on tight.
Is that fun, Corbin?
Whee!
Whoosh!
In and out.
Ah, whoosh! Whoosh!
You want to catch a fish?
Yeah, I want to catch a fish.
I want to catch a fish too. I don't think we can catch a fish.
You have to have a pole if you want to catch a fish, James.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Hold on tight, Corbin.
He's got this natural lean going. As he goes forward, sometimes he'll just lean back automatically. We've been trying to teach James how to do it, huh, James? Are you trying to learn how to swing?
No, I don't have to.
Is that hard?
Yeah, it's too slow. We're only fast.
You want it to go fast, huh?
Should we go sit down on the bench by the water?
Water.
Water.
Hold on tight, Corbin. You don't let him fall. Or it's your fault.
Alright, let's go with Mama. Let go. I gotcha. There we go. Go see Mama. Go look at the water and see the duckies.
They've seen fish today and ducks today.
They saw sharks today because we went to the dentist. Me, James, and Corbin all got checkups today.
And we gotta go get our shark and caught it. And the water is all the water who fun.
Did you understand what he just said?
This one, not the tiny one. Only this.
So, Becca, you were saying when you were a kid, you used to come here and feed the ducks?
Yeah. We used to come here and feed the ducks bread.
Yeah.
I think that they've made it nicer since then.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Hi, Corbin. Come on. Come right here. Come here. I'll get ya. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's go.
Is that cool?
Yeah, that's cool. You got sharks in it. Come here, come here.
Let's put my shoes right here.
That is fast.
What do you think,
That's not
James?
bad.
Is that cool?
It's cool.
Yeah?
He's driving it.
He's driving it?
Yeah.
Probably see fish too, huh? They got us surrounded, James. What are we gonna do?
That one's mean with the black feathers. He's
Oh,
mean.
that's a mean one, huh?
He'll chase you.
Uh-oh.
If you get really, really close
Uh-oh.
to him, he'll chase you. You might want to move.
This one pretty mean, huh?
Believe me. He is.
She says this one's mean. We'll see if he's mean.
You can't get me, mean one. You can't. You can't get me.
What a beautiful day. Look at all that blue sky. And then, ah! Look at how dark and gloomy and scary that is versus this blue, beautiful sky. It's so crazy. It's like,
It's coming toward us.
it's coming toward us and it's all on that side.
It's coming up over the mountains over there.
Yeah, it's like barely hitting those mountains and just like, it looks scary. It's kind of terrifying.
A storm is coming.
God, I'm on my belly. Whee! Ah! Oh no, don't get me here! Is that fun, boys? We're gonna love having a yard. Oh, don't get me there! Are you having fun? Throw it in the air. Throw it in the air over here. Go throw it over there at Corbin. In the air. Just above your head. Above your head. Woo! Corbin's like, okay, enough of this. I'm gonna wait. Ah! Where you going, Corbin? Ah! Oh, that's so fun. That's like my favorite thing is to go and play in leaves in the fall. Before they're all wet and like uncomfortable and flat, you know. When they're all crunchy and big and dry and perfect. No, he's coming back over here. He's gonna come over here. You can throw it at him. James, he's coming over here in the van. Come here. I've got leaves all over me. Mostly on my belly and in my pockets. Leaves. Is this fun? What? He's coming. He's coming around. Come back over this way. He's gonna come pick us up. Come on. Both of them are like, is my dad leaving me? Mom, you should know about this. Hi. Do you love playing in the leaves? Yeah. You want to look at the camera? Look, there's James. There's James. He's running. He's going to go get Daddy.